Hey guys, welcome back to another editing video. Today we'll be going over how to spot, remove, and remove dust spots. So first, I'll show you how to spot the dust spots, then I'll show you how to remove them. Finally, I'll show you ways to avoid getting dust spots in the first place. So let's get started. So right now we're in Lightroom with this photo of a Virgin America A321 provided by Daniel. Go check him out. So if you have Lightroom, you go to the healing brush section, which is right here. From this you can see there's at least 1 or 2 dust spots, but we'll never know for sure unless we press the visualize spots. From this we can see there's a lot of dust spots in this photo. And then, but like at threshold 100, but if you're at threshold 0, you can't really see anything. So I'll just up the threshold and look for tiny circles, like all of these circles. So look for dust spots. So how you remove them, there's a heal or clone function. I check the heal because that just gets rid of the dust spots already. So I'll just go here and then heal. It'll automatically select it and find the find a good substitute for that area. So just do it for here too, here also, here, 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 do one right here, and just making sure it looks good. It looks pretty good. Here, 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 here. There's a bunch of dust spots, but that's basically how you get rid of these. Here, here, here. Oh, I'll do 2 in 1 by just making the size larger. Here, 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 and here. For the smaller ones that you can't really see well, you just need to look for circles. That's my tip. You can do this. Another good way to look for dust spots is just dehaze 100. That's another good way. So you can see there's a couple more right here. Like that one right there. It seems like there's one right here too. Oh, there's a couple up here. Right here. Those dust spots, yeah, I think those are dust spots too. So like right here. Let's see, I think that's pretty much it. So I might be missing some, but that's basically how you get rid of dust spots. So then we'll go back to normal dehaze, and then you'll see in the original we had a bunch of dust spots, and now oh shoot, and now we have no dust spots. Hold up. There we go. So now we have no dust spots. And originally we had a bunch of dust spots. Now we don't. I'll show you again in another example with this United photo. Here, you can already see a couple ones right here. I'll just go with here, visualize spots, and you see there's a bunch of other ones right here. So we'll just do these. And there's a lot of dust spots, but for dust spots I like to use heal, not clone, because heal just gets rid of the dust spots already. So you don't really need to use clone if you just want to get rid of dust spots. You can also use this to remove unwanted objects. I recommend you use clone for that. Even though clone can like show you where that circle is, it's still I still recommend using clone. See, if you want to use clone, let's say we want to get rid of these blocks. without Photoshop, then we just go right here and try to, we can't really get rid of this box, but if we try to, we could basically do that, and that help get rid of the spots a lot already. You see, like that, like right here. That's just about good. Yeah. Well, I mean, Photoshop's a lot better, but like, yeah, actually, right. We can do this. Get rid of that. Then here we have that, and then we'd be able to get rid of that if we put like this. We could duplicate this actually. Like we could just do it like that, but that's the benefits of using clone. This thing is mostly for getting rid of dust spots, but you can also get rid of unwanted objects, although Photoshop is better. But how do you but like, of course you don't really want dust spots in your picture, so how do you avoid it is a really common question. So I would suggest you get a cleaning kit such as this. This is a really good cleaning kit. It gives you the blower. The blower is the most important part of getting rid of dust spots, because you just blow it into your, you just take the lens off, blow it into the sensor, and then like that, and then it'll help get rid of dust spots or your lens. So like that, yes. That is basically what the blower is really good for. I highly recommend you get a kit such as this. I personally use it. It works really well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's editing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the blog. Hope this helps you in the future with getting rid of dust spots and avoiding them in general. Thanks guys, and see you next time.